How do you say me first in Tagalog? Well, stick around and find out. Kumusta po kayo? Welcome back. We are continuing our lesson on the Tagalog enclitic particles that are monosyllabic and duosyllabic words that grammatically connect two words that convey different nuances and meanings. Tagalog enclitic particles are hard to directly translate to English, and sometimes their meanings can only be approximated. They can have multiple meanings depending on the context. They are not conjugated in the past, present, or future because their time reference is implied in the context. They also add flavor and context to a phrase or sentence in Tagalog, and sometimes vocal tones can change the context of an enclitic particle. In this video, I will begin to discuss the enclitic particle muna. You pronounce this word with a hard glottal stop. Muna. Muna. Got it? But before we dive into our lesson, please be sure that you are subscribed by clicking on the subscribe button and the bell notification button so you'll be updated of new videos. Cool? Contextually, the enclitic particle muna can mean to be first before anyone else or anything else, for the time being, in the meantime, for now, and yet for negative commands and requests like the expressions not yet in English. Let's tackle the first use of the particle muna, which is to be first before anyone else or anything else. This is a very straightforward usage. You use muna when you want to say that a subject is to be first before anything else. Let's try these examples. Ako muna. It can mean me first, I go first, let me be first before anyone else, and let it be me for now before anyone else. Ikaw muna. You go first before anyone else. Let it be you for now before anyone else. Tayo muna. We go first before anyone else. Let it be us for now before anyone else. Kami muna. We go first before anyone else. Let it be us for now before anyone else. Kayo muna. You all go first before anyone else. Let it be you all for now before anyone else. Siya muna. He, she goes first before anyone else. Let it be him or her for now before anyone else. Sila muna. Let them be first for now before anyone else. Let it be them for now before anyone else. Si Marie muna. Let Marie be first before anyone else. Let it be Marie for now before anyone else. Sina June at Ed muna. June and Ed go first before anyone else. Let it be June and Ed for now before anyone else. Ayos ba? Hindi naman mahirap, di ba? It's not too difficult, right? Now, let's use the particle muna in more complete sentences. Here goes. Ako muna ang nagsasalita. I am the one who is speaking now before anyone else. This sentence is describing an action that is happening in the present. That is why the verb nagsasalita, which is in the progressive form, is used. Ikaw muna ang nagsalita. You were the one who spoke first before anyone else. This sentence is describing an action that happened in the past. The verb nagsalita is in the completed form. Tayo muna ang magsasalita. We will be the one who will speak for now before anyone else. This one is describing an action that will happen in the future. The verb magsasalita is in the contemplative form. Notice that like all other enclitic particles, the particle muna is not conjugated. I'd also like to point out that muna strongly conveys that the action is being done, was done, will be done before someone else did, or does, or will do the same action. Otherwise, the sentences would be, Ako ang nagsasalita. I am the one who is speaking. Ikaw ang nagsalita. You are the one who spoke. Tayo ang magsasalita. We will be the one who will speak. Got it? Let's move on. Kami muna ang mag-uusap. We will be the ones who will talk to each other for now before we talk to anyone else. Or, let us talk to each other for now before we talk to anyone else. Kayo muna ang aalis. You all will be the ones to leave for now before anyone else. Siya muna ang gagamit. He or she will be the one who will use something first before anyone else. Or, he or she will be the one to use something for now before anyone else. Sila muna ang kakain. They will be the ones to eat first before anyone else. They will be the ones to eat for now before anyone else. Si Marie muna ang sasayaw. Marie will be the one to dance first before anyone else. Or, Marie will be the one to dance for now before anyone else. Sina Ed at June muna ang maglalaro. June and Ed will be the ones to play first before anyone else. Or, June and Ed will be the ones to play for now before anyone else. Ayos ba? So far, so good? If you're enjoying this video so far, please hit the like button because that will do wonders for this channel. Alright? Now, let's use demonstrative pronouns as subjects. The same idea we saw earlier in the previous examples are present in this case. Let's try. Ito muna. This one first before anything else. Or this one for now before anything else. Iyan muna. That one first before anything else. Or that one for now before anything else. Iyon muna. That one over there first before anything else. Or that one over there for now before anything else. Dito muna. Place it here first before placing it somewhere else. Or place it here for now before placing it anywhere else. Diyan muna. Place it there first before placing it anywhere else. Or place it there for now before placing it anywhere else. Doon muna. Place it over there first before placing it anywhere else. Or place it over there for now before placing it anywhere else. Heto muna. Take this one first before anything else. Or take this one for now before anything else. Ayan muna. Take that one first before anything else. Or take that one for now before anything else. Ayun muna. Take that one over there first before anything else. Or take that one over there for now before anything else. Ganito muna. Do it like this first before trying something else. Or do it like this for now before trying something else. Ganiyan muna. Do it like that first before trying something else. Or do it like that for now before trying something else. Ganoon muna. Do it like that over there first before trying something else. Or do it like that over there for now before trying something else. Ayos ba? I hope you're getting the context of the particle muna. Now, let's expand these examples into more complete sentences. Here goes. Ito muna ang lulutuin ko. This is the one I will cook first before cooking something else. Or, I will cook this one for now before cooking something else. Iyan muna ang gagawin mo. That is the one you will do first before doing something else. Or, do that first for now before doing something else. Iyon muna ang uunahin natin. That one over there is the one you will prioritize before prioritizing something else. Or, prioritize that one over there for now before prioritizing something else. Dito muna ako kakain. Here is where I will eat for now before eating somewhere else. Or, you will eat here in the meantime before eating somewhere else. Diyan ka muna matutulog. Over there is where you will sleep for now before somewhere else. Or, you sleep over there in the meantime before anywhere else. A couple of points here. Number one, the personal pronoun ka comes before the particle muna. This is the only personal pronoun with this rule. You should have encountered this rule on my other videos on other enclitic particles. Number two, there is the expectation that the subject will be sleeping in another place or area in the near future. The same idea applies in the next examples. Doon muna kayo magpahinga. Over there is where you all will rest before anywhere else. Or, you all will rest over there before anywhere else. Heto muna ang gamitin mo. Here, use this one for now before using something else. Ayan muna ang gamitin mo. There, use that one for now before using something else. Ayon muna ang gamitin mo. There, use that one over there for now before using something else. Ganito muna ang gawin mo. Do it like this for now before doing something else. Ganiyan muna ang gawin mo. Do it like that for now before doing something else. Ganoon muna ang gawin mo. Do it like that over there for now before doing something else. That's about it for now. There are more uses of the enclitic particle muna, and we will tackle those in the next video. I hope you catch that. I will see you then. Maraming salamat po at hanggang sa susunod.